So what's up, guys? This is your boy Chibuzo Ago, and today we are going to do another car video. Yes, in one of my previous video I talked about this OBD2 scanner, the ELM 327 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. So in this very video we shall be looking at the best apps you can use that work with this and your car. So let's start. So like I said from the start, we are going to look at the best app that's worked with this. In one of my previous videos, you must have watched it. I talked about this ELM 327 OBD2 Bluetooth scanner. Yes, and of course, in that very video we make use of the car scanner app, which is actually a free version app, and I show you how you can use it on the same car, if you could remember and watch that video. And of course, if you're coming across this video for the first time and you don't really know what this Bluetooth OBD2 scanner does, is that you can actually use it to scan all the malfunctions that your car might be experiencing, and you can detect the fault, and after detecting the fault you can easily go to a car repairer or a mechanic and tell them what's wrong with your car, and of course they can fix it. This goes into the, let me see if I can get it. Yes, that very portion. That's where the OBD2 Bluetooth connector is, so you can connect this to your car. And after connecting to, yes, of course, you ignite your car and it will connect to the app that you must have installed in your device. So the big question is, what app is suitable that works with this perfectly? Apart from the car scanner app I told you the last time. So now let's dive into the very app you can start making use with this and to work perfectly. Now to do that, of course, you must have been using or should have an Android or an iOS device. And let's see, I'm using an Android device. I have to open this up, say yes. If you go to the Android device, and of course you head over to the Google Play Store, and once you type there, just go and type for the ELM 327, just like you see, ELM 327 OBD2 scanner. A lot of them will pop up just like this. You have an array of apps, and if you scroll down, and this is the very app we looked at the last time. Let me give this yes, the car scanner app, ELM OBD2. This is the app we talked about the last time, and of course this app is totally free, and I showed you how to use it in that last video of mine. So in case you've not watched the video, you can go to the video section of this very YouTube channel and search for ELM 3 or how to use ELM 327 OBD2 scanner, and of course you see this. So definitely we shall not be talking about this very app again in this video or in this video. Yeah, so scroll down. This is the very app I want to introduce you guys to, which I think is the best of them all. As you can see, its name is OBD2 scanner ELM 327 Garage Pro. And of course, yes, many of you might be thinking, yes, that it should be free, but no, this app is actually a paid app. As you can see, it already have 1 million+ download, and this rating is 5-star rating. It's only 23 MB on the Google Play Store. That's if you're using an Android device. So if you're looking for the best ELM 327 OBD2 scanner you would like to install on your device, an Android device, I don't really know if it's available in the iOS store because I don't make use of an iPhone. So go ahead and download this very app. It's not a paid promotion, but I think it's cool. I've used it, and yes, but what you have in mind, like I said, Garage Pro is actually a paid app, so it's not entirely free. But if you're looking for free apps, there are an array of them right here in Play Store, but you can go ahead and start making use of this very one I talked about in my last video. So if you want to go and make your choice. But the good thing is that this very one I purchased, this ELM 327, it fell on the floor. Let me try to get it up. This very one I purchased, it can also come with a CD plate which you can install on your laptop. So it comes with the CD plate. So once you install it on your laptop and use it Bluetooth, you can also connect to your laptop and scan for various malfunction that might be ongoing on your car. So if you want to get this very device just like the way I purchased it, go to the description of this very video. I'll be placing a link where you can go ahead and use to make a purchase, and of course you will get the very same one I buy, and it comes with a disk also which you install on your laptop, and of course you start making use of it. But there's a limitation in the software that comes with the disk because it's quite old and there's no update. It doesn't come with an update. So I'll also advise you to go ahead and install a Bluetooth scanner app on your mobile devices, and you can also still go to the iOS store if you make use of an iPhone and search for OBD2 scanner, ELM 327 Garage Pro. As you can see, it already have a 5-star rating. So if you find this video informative enough, kindly give it a thumbs up, or if you still have any question that you want to ask concerning the ELM 327 OBD2 scanner itself and the app that works best with it, you can drop them in the comment section. I go to the description of this video, make your purchase, and of course it's something you'll be glad you did. It's quite sunny, but I want to do this video hurriedly, and thank God we've come to the end of this video. Go to the playlist of this channel and watch other videos, but though they are not car related, because it's actually a technology related channel and we cover video from all aspects. Don't forget the name is Garage Pro. Yeah, OBD2 scanner ELM 327 Garage Pro. Search for it and download it today. So we'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.